Hey Songbird, welcome to my house and welcome to my morning routine. I'm actually just about to start my vocal warm-ups and my practice, so you want to come along with me? Let's go! Alright, so I tend to actually do my vocal warm-up while I'm getting ready. So I'm going to touch up my makeup a little bit and also just like fix the frizziness in my hair while I show you how I do my vocal warm-ups. So vocal warm-ups are all about really easy, gentle exercises. I'm not trying to, sing as high as I can and all that sort of stuff. I'm just getting my vocal folds ready for more strenuous singing by doing some exercises that just helps to bring some more blood flow to the muscles, okay? Okay, so my favorite exercise to start is the light bubbles because they just put my voice in the most easy place. It's so cool. So let's do some. Sometimes I find that while I'm doing that bubble exercise, I can hear where the cracks in my voice are. So then what I do is I then go there and I descend down to iron out those cracks. So I'm gonna do that right now. Yay, sounds a lot clearer now. Awesome. All right, happy with that. I'm gonna go on to the next exercise. All right, let's put on some eyeliner. Okay. Oh my God. You know what? I actually normally never do any exercises while I'm trying to apply eyeliner because then I start drawing all over my face. I need to really concentrate, so I'm so sorry. No exercises here. Sorry, I laughed. That's okay. I want to make sure I've got like lots of buzz, right? So that I'm not actually putting extra effort on my vocal folds. And the exercise is one that really helps to bring the blood flow into your muscles. So I'm going to do that since I'm putting on some lip gloss and my lips are closed. Perfect. Oh yeah, feeling the buzz. Alright, makeup's on, getting the hair ready. Should I put a headband on, Songbird? What do you reckon? Headband? Okay, let's go with the headband. Hey, come with me downstairs to my studio because now I'm going to take you through my vocal workout. Let's go. All right, so I've warmed up my voice, which means I've gotten the blood flow to the muscles, and now it's time to actually work out the voice. When I'm working out my voice, I'm actually trying to strengthen it, condition it, I'm increasing range, I'm trying to make myself sound amazing, all right? And so that's what I'm gonna do right here. I always love to start with head voice exercises because head voice is all about flexibility. And when I can get flexibility happening, I can be a vocal gymnast. All right, I'm gonna do some zoos. I'm trying to buzz that Z a little bit more. That's starting to feel more buzzy now because I actually started to buzz that Z a bit more. So that's really good. And as I go higher into my range, it can sometimes start to feel a little bit tight. And so I've got to make sure that I'm just dropping my jaw a little bit more and allowing just more space and openness, yeah, for my voice to come out. Pretty happy with the way my head voice is sounding. I think I need a little bit more connection though. I'm kind of feeling like my vocal folds weren't really coming together as nicely as I would like it to. So I'm going to do a doggy whimper because that's going to really help to bring my vocal folds gently together, but without it being pushed, yeah? So we're going to go. Yeah, that feels already like there's just a whole lot less effort. So I'm really happy with that. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate some chest voice and mixed voice work with the zoos. So I'm gonna do Zee-Zoo-Zaa, Zaa. Yeah, okay. Zee-Zoo-Zaa, 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 Zee-Zoo-Zaa. Okay, so as I actually went higher in that, I started to feel my tongue kind of going, kind of depress on my larynx, and it's making it harder for me to sing the high notes. So the zool felt quite tight. So I actually need to work my tongue now and get rid of the tension that's actually developing in the back of the tongue. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to bring the back of my tongue up towards the soft palate with a yee, yee, yee. Yee, 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 yee. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can hear it, Songbird, but that resonance is just so much better. So now that the back of my tongue is now, rising up, it means that the larynx is free to move up with it, right? So my high note's going to be a lot, well, at least I hope, a lot freer now. Let's test out the theory. We'll see. Zee-Zoo-Zaa, yeah. Zee-Zoo-Zaa. Okay, yep. Definitely the head voice notes we're feeling a lot more freer now. But the zaa-zaas were a little bit clunky to me. I could actually feel a bit of a catch in my throat as I was doing that. So I think what I actually need here is a little bit of twang. Yep. I'm gonna give myself some twang. Here we go. Which one should I do? I'm gonna start with a baby twang exercise, which is less intense, with a kitten meow. So we did some doggy whimpers before, now we're doing some kitten meows, why not? Okay, meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, that feels so much better. Like my chest voice now just feels a lot more mixy. There's a lot more freedom, all right? There's a lot more freedom in it, which is awesome. So I'm now going to give it a little bit more twang. I'm going to intensify the twang a little bit more with a wicked witch nyeh. Nyeh, 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 nyeh. Nyeh, 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 nyeh. Nyeh, 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 nyeh. Oh, hey Songbird, you know that exercise I was doing before, the nyeh, nyeh, nyeh and the twang stuff, right? To get more effortlessness in my tone. Well, I have a whole video where I explain that in detail and I give you the whole exercise in full and also help you to apply it to a Whitney Houston song. If you would like to get your hands on that, you can actually get it for free. Just click on the link in the description box below to get it right now. I had so much fun making this video for you, and if you had just as much fun watching it and you'd like to see more videos of me practicing, warming up and working out my voice, or maybe even just videos of me actually singing songs and covers and stuff, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. And of course, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful vocal tips. And Songbird, I am always believing in you.